Hi everyone, today I am showing you an easy and natural way to clean the over-the-range microwave using just water and vinegar. No chemicals. This method works great for normal microwave or over-the-range microwave. I am going to clean my over-the-range microwave today. Let's start it. In a baking dish, add 1 cup of water and half a cup of white vinegar. Now I am going to microwave this about 5 to 7 minutes until it's boil and steam up. This steam will loosen up all the dirts inside. The timer stop. Don't open it immediately. Let the water to boil. Another 30 seconds and almost 5 minutes I am cooking. I give extra 3 minutes. The vinegar and the water is still boiling. I will leave it for 5 minutes so the steam can do the magic. I took a wet scrub and 1 tablespoon of baking soda and dish soap. I am going to start scrub now. Carefully remove the baking dish from the microwave if it's hot, but mine is not too hot. Then I am using the microfiber cloth to clean it, and look at that dirt. Especially we have to clean the top, the grill part, because this is the oven on the top, the grill. This is dirt, all the fat and everything, but easily we can clean it. Wipe it with a 2-3 cloths. I am dipping the cloth in the soap water. Then I am wiping it again and again 2-3 times. Then after a while, I am using the dry cloth to wipe the microwave. You see how much dirt coming off? Then wipe it again and again 2-3 times because I didn't do it so long. But at least once a month, when we clean this, it will be more clean. Clean the turning wheels. Those are really sometimes dirts, then the wheels not going to turn. Clean that one before you fitting inside. You have to clean this grill, otherwise it will get fire. At least we have to do it twice in 3 months or once a month. When you clean up like this, be careful. Here you go. Wipe this, otherwise it's not going to roll. When it's dirt in here, if it's a regular microwave, it's not that much hard to clean. This is the one is built-in microwave and oven together. That's why it's too much work. Look at this, so clean, fresh, and no chemical smell. This method is safe, easy, and works every time. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and cooking. Thank you for watching.